Connect your Apple Card to Ynab. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just connect your Apple Card to Ynab. It is very easy and I will just show you in few steps, right? So here I am already into Ynab. And for example, if I just want to connect my Apple Card, I will just click on add account and then you will get two options here. Just go to the link. And by the way, if you're doing it over your iPhone, then it's become more easy, right? So in iPhone, if you're already logged in into the YNAB app over your iPhone phone, then you will get a separate option to connect your Apple Wallet in just few seconds and it will be done. But if you have logged in your laptop or PC, then you have to just go through this tutorial, right? So for example, I have searched for Apple Card, right? And here you will just find here, for example, this is pretty easy to do it. So yeah, once I, for example, you can see, so if I just click here, it will just ask me that whether I'm human or not. And here it is asking to continue to login. So if I just click on continue to login, it will redirect to me Apple Pay and I have to enter my login info here. And once I enter and click on submit, my Apple Card will be shown here and I can just do all the payments from here, right? It's very easy. I hope you found this video very helpful.